Deloitte, who are as declared our knowledge partners for this event. Professor Vishwanath Karad, Founder, President and Director General, MIT Group of Institutes. Dr. Milind Pandey, Project Director, MIT School of Telecom Management. Mr. Umesh Chande, Deputy Director and Head CII Pune. Colleagues from the industry, Institute faculty and students, friends from the media, and ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of CII Pune, and on my personal behalf, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. You are here for Teletech 2012 conference. This is the third edition of the Teletech series of telecom conferences that CII and MIT School of Telecom Management have been organizing in Pune. As declared a little earlier, once again the theme for this conference is NTP 2011, Realizing the Vision. We would like to extend special thanks to the dignitaries on the dais and to our speakers for taking time out of their extremely busy schedules and to be here with us today to share their vast experience and expertise, which makes this conference a very important conference. In fact, we are privileged that many of these speakers have come from almost all parts of the country, like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Gurgaon, and of course, Pune. Now, a little bit of the data and statistics. As we are all aware, India is a massive telecom player, being second largest wireless network, coming close to 900 million. One of the lowest tariffs, 1 paise a second, thereabouts, notwithstanding the exchange rate fluctuation. One of the highest growth rates, about 20 million net additions per month. And the domestic handset manufacturers giving a run for the money to manufacturers outside. So clearly, the telecom sector has potential to play a very significant role in bringing about the inclusive growth of this country as it marches towards becoming a global economic powerhouse. So with this background, Confederation of Indian Industry, that is CII Pune, in 2010 started organizing Teletech series of telecom conferences in partnership with MIT School of Telecom Management, which is not only Pune's but the country's leading engineering and management organization. So going by the attendance that we see here and that we saw in the past conferences, we have received tremendous participation. It's been widely appreciated by the industry, academia, and the local community. This year, Deloitte is our knowledge partner for this initiative, and given the considerable efforts they have put in to this event, we would like to invite them to continue as knowledge partners for the future Teletech events as well. We would like to place on record our sincere thanks and appreciation to Mr. Hemant Joshi, telecom leader of Deloitte, and his team for the excellent work they have done in conceptualizing this event, along with CII and MIT SOT. They have prepared Teletech 2012 report on the occasion of this event, which will be released shortly. The MIT School of Telecom Management has also been led by Dr. Milind Pandey and his team and worked very hard to put this event together. We wish to put on record our appreciation and thanks to Amdocs India for supporting this event as the associate sponsor. To say a little bit about the telecom sector, we are all aware that NTP 99 was greatly successful as a result of the liberalization, privatization, and many other bold decisions by the government. Although it has put us on the map, a lot more needs to be done. So perhaps keeping this in mind, the Government of India has announced NTP 2011, which is today in the draft stage, should become notified this year, to provide to the people of India secure, reliable, affordable, and high-quality converged communication services anytime, anywhere. That's a mouthful and says a lot. Covers almost all aspects of communications to enhance efficiency, convenience, and access across the length and breadth of this vast country. Important and foundational sectors like education, healthcare, and banking are unable to reach out to the citizens due to severe challenges of middlemen, literacy, ignorance, lack of funds, lack of infrastructure, and so on. These challenges have caused unbalanced growth in the rural and urban areas, leading to vast difference between the economic and social status of people in these two different areas. Teletech 2012 will focus on the vision, challenges, and opportunities from NTP 2011, with the viewpoints expressed from eminent thought leaders, telecom experts, and industry mentors who are here amongst us today. NTP 2011 provides numerous opportunities, not only for all players in the telecom value chain, but also in the diffusion areas of manufacturing, agriculture, and services. While there has been significant growth of telecom network and subscriber base over the last few years, telecom equipment manufacturing sector has a lot of headroom to grow. With the current 3G network rollout and